morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, division. You have already learned this section in class 3. Okay, let us start. Students, look at this problem. Our problem is 8 divided by 2. We can write 8 divided by 2. In table of 2, you know that 4 2s are 8. That means 4 2s are 8. Then we can subtract 8 minus 8 equal to 0. This 8 is known as dividend. This 2 is known as divisor. Our answer 4 is known as quotient. And the 0 is known as remainder. Okay. Our next section is properties of division. Our first property is if we divide a number by the number itself, we get the quotient 1. That means 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. Our quotient is 1. Or 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. Okay. Property 2. If a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. That means 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Property 3. Every division fact has 2 multiplication facts. That means 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Multiplication facts are 5 into 4. 20 equal to 5 into 4. Or 20 equal to 4 into 5. 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. Multiplication facts are 20 can be written as 5 into 4 or 4 into 5. These are multiplication facts. Let us see some examples. Filling the blanks using the properties of division. First question, 8 divided by 1. By the properties of division, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Then 9 divided by dash equal to 9. 9 divided by dash equal to 9. 9 divided by 1 equal to 9. Then the C question, 6 divided by 1. 6 divided by 1 this equal to 6 itself. Okay. Then the D question is 7 divided by dash equal to 1. What is that? 7 divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Am I right? Look at the E question. 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. Here the multiplication facts are, what is that multiplication facts? 2 into 7 and 7 into 2. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. So the multiplication facts are 2 into 7 equal to 14. And 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Okay. Then the F question, the division facts for 10 equal to 2 into 5 is dash. The division facts for 10 is equal to 2 into 5 is, what is that? 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Am I right? 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Or 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. So we can write 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. We get 5. Or 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay. Our next question is divide and check your answer. Question is 6 divided by 2. In table of 2, you know that 3 2s are 6. We can check if our answer is correct or not. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. If we get the dividend, our answer is correct. Okay. Students, look at this table. Divide and complete the given table. Question is 80 divided by 10. In table of 10, you know that 8 tens are 80. So we can write the quotient is 8. The remainder is 0. Okay. B question is 90 divided by 10. In table of 10, 9 tens are 90. That means quotient is 9, remainder is 0. Then 340 divided by 100. You know that 300s are 300. 3 into 100s are 300. So the quotient is 3, remainder is 40. Okay. Our D question is 852 divided by 100. You know that 8 into 100 is equal to 800. 8 into 100 equal to 800. So we get the quotient is 8. And the remainder is 52. 52. Remainder is 52. The E question is 2450 divided by 1000. You know that 2 into 1000. 2000s are 2000. 2 into 1000 equal to 2000. So the quotient is 2. Remainder is 450. Remainder is 450. Our F question is 1697 divided by 1000. Students, you know that 1000 is 1000. So we get the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 697. Okay. Students, I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.